Hey y'all, it's Little Josh Minecraft or Angel Ocampo. I'm actually doing an unboxing video of something I ordered yesterday. Also happy summer break 2021. But let's get right into it. I ordered some lights, my setup right here. So it's weird how it came in this. This is much better. Or actually, is it much worse? Yes, it's much worse. I'm not supposed to be cutting it like that, as it has styrofoam in it. Let's get this open. Let's see what it is. Okay. And it is by Neewer, not sponsored by them, and it's backwards on my end, but it is two LED lights. I'm gonna try them out. Okay. So, ooh, that's actually pretty neat. Comes with two light panels. Right here. Comes with a couple diffusers. Comes with these ones, little screens for them. You'll be able to see me rocking with these in future videos sooner or later. There you go. Color plastic sheet is loaded, blah blah blah. Fun kill. Okay, comes with two of them, which is awesome for me. Let's see here. Customer service. Alright, and for the moment of... what the hey? And I'm recording this in my office/storage area. Okay. Oh, cool. Alright, so I'll be right back, and while I get all this set up, I guess. I have no idea how to set any of this up, y'all. It's pretty neat. Comes with a tripod. But at least it's not that big. It's a little flimsy. Okay. But again, it's gonna be cool setting all this up. Alright, so I'm gonna get this set up right now, and I'll be back with the final result. Okay, I finally got it set up. And I have the blue gel in it. Alright, let's put this one back in. Alright, I turned it off real quick. Second. Boom. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Here. This is what it looks like set up. And it's awesome. It's pretty awesome. It goes for around $45 on Amazon. I got it for $43.93. As it had a 10% off discount. And I'd say it's a great buy. But from what I've seen on other reviews and stuff, it's not, it wouldn't be worth it because of how flimsy it is. me lower this down. So it wouldn't be worth it of how flimsy it is, but yet it's still a neat buy. If you want to get other panels, head to the Neewer Amazon shop and get yourself these LED panels for, again, 40 bucks. One of these. They're pretty inexpensive. They're pretty neat. And they're pretty helpful when you want some lighting. Just head to Amazon.com and look for it there. I'll be leaving a link to where I got it in the description. But again, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys again soon. My newest Roblox video, this was way back in September when I recorded it. It will be up soon. Keep my new video when I recorded it back in September, but I forgot to upload it. But I uploaded it recently. Keep that video, and I'll be recording more Roblox videos soon for you all, and more Minecraft videos too. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys again soon. Bye, everybody.